Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I alter this oversized blazer. So this is before. As you can see, it is way too big on me. First, I'll pin places where I want to make alterations. I will be shortening this blazer on a hem, on the sleeves, and I'll be taking this blazer in. First, I'm pinning the sleeves. So I'm pinning the sleeves to length what I want. Also, I will be tapering these sleeves, so I'm adding pin and I'll be tapering these sleeves approximately by 2 inches on both sides. Next, I'll pin down this collar to place, so start where the button is. So I'm slightly extending the collar, so I'm pinning the collar down to the blazer like that, so it starts from the button up, and I'm doing the same on the other side. Next, I will pin the blazer hem. As you can see, it's a little bit too long for me, so I'll be shortening this blazer to that length. So I'm pinning that length down like that, and I'll be the same on the other side. And I will be taking this blazer in, so I'm adding pins where my waist is. And I'll be taking the waist in there and at the back. Now I'll alter this blazer. Also, I decided to adjust shoulders because they are a little bit too big. So I'll be taking in shoulders there. So I have taken in approximately 2 inches on a shoulder there. And also I will be shortening the shoulder width to approximately 1.5 inches there, as you can see on both sides. So I'm sewing the shoulders here, as you can see, and ironing those shoulders on a fabric and repeating same on a lining fabric. Looks like that. Next, I'm sewing sleeves back on shoulders, and next I'm altering this waist and tapering the sleeves, shortening the sleeves, and shortening blazer hem. And here's my finished blazer. As you can see, hem is a lot shorter now and sleeves are shorter. I like this length, and sleeves are much narrower. Also, waist looks a little bit more fitted at the back and at the front. I'm very happy with the result. I always alter my clothes so they fit my body. If you have any questions how I altered this blazer, please comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.